Can you tell what's going on in this video from watching it?
It looks to me like the work that they are doing is being monitored real time, presumably by some external source. You're going to suggest to me that the external source that's monitoring them is not a human being, but is artificial intelligence.
Yes, kind of. What's happening is a company has paid these Indian workers to wear cameras on their heads, to watch their hands, to train the AI so that the AI can do that job in the future.
To remove the workers from those jobs.
Yes.